Hey there.
Oh, hey. Didn't realize you were gonna wait for me.
I mean, you left in such a hurry, I just had to make sure you're okay.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah?
Mm. Mm.
Oh.
What? Oh, sorry. I forgot to shave today.
It's totally fine.
Okay.
Just remember next time so I could kiss you.
Okay.
Okay. I know Denise just said that. What?
I just feel like that was really weird. I don't know.
I don't know what you're talking about, Simone.
Well, I don't know. I just feel like we didn't get to talk the whole night.
We were at a movie theater.
Yeah, but every time that I turned to talk to you, you were already talking to Denise, and I like Denise. Like it's fine. It's just I wish that you'd include me more.
Well?
Well, what? Well, I want to talk about it.
I don't understand you. We were talking, I kissed you. What's the problem? You know, I think you have this, crazy fucking expectation of me, and it's so fucking exhausting.
I'm not trying to be impossible. I feel like it'd be weird if I just hid my feelings from you.
If I crossed the line, then Pat would have said something.
Okay, good for Pat, but what about how I feel? Does that not mean anything?
No, not when you're acting like this. No, you already opened this shit up. Look, I'm sorry. Can we just please just move past this? Can you do that?
I don't know how to fix the problem if we can't even talk about it.
Simone, you're the problem right now. Can you just drop me off at home?
What? Really?
Yeah.
But I just wanted to talk about it.
Yeah, and we did.
Yeah, and we're good. Like I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm good. Like we are good. I
Really?
Yes, I'm over it. I am. I was being like crazy for a second, but it's fine. I was just being stupid. You were right. I was being stupid.
Simone.
Here. Oh, thanks.
Hey.
Hmm?
You awake?
Yeah. What's up?
I was thinking. Today we just spend the day. You and I. I figured because, you know, I spent the day with my friends yesterday. And today I just want to do something. Just the two of us.
Yeah. I like that. But,
But what?
it's Beth's birthday.
Can you not just tell them you're sick? I can play doctor.
No. No. I'm serious.
I wanted to do something special for you.
God, I want that more than anything. But you knew Beth today.
It's just one day, Simone.
Yeah, but it's her birthday. I mean, you could still come if you wanted.
Yeah, I'm sure Beth would be thrilled by that. Will you at least come here afterwards?
Yeah, of course.
What time?
12. Or I can come here earlier, and I can get us breakfast.
Fine.
Did you grab my keys, hon?
Yeah.
I think they're on the dresser. I think they're on the dresser.
I don't see him.
Well, then they're probably in my purse.
They're not there either.
You've got to be kidding.
Look, Simone, we've been here all day. Okay, they're around here somewhere.
She's gonna kill me.
find them.
Yeah, you're right.
I always am.
Can you check in the living room?
Sure. Hey! Did you find them? Oh, hey. Anything? Oh. I'm sorry, Simone. Look, if we don't find it by the morning, then I can just buy you a replacement. Okay? Hey. You had a long day today. Look, today you've had a long day. Let me take care of you. We can have our us day.